Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we are here with another shopping at Best Buy part 3. I believe it's the finale, but you never know. So let's go ahead and park in our parking spot and look at what else we saw at Best Buy. So this particular section of the video, we are looking at the gaming section. And we are starting with Nintendo. So they have the Nintendo Switch there on the left that you saw earlier, and all these games, as well as a nice assortment of banners on top to show you all the major characters in the Nintendo universe like Mario, Pikachu, Peach, and Donkey Kong. And of course, there are a couple games we're going to look at. The first one we're going to look at is Super Mario Party. This is apparently a good one to play with friends. I've never played it, but the one I have played that is a classic that is super fun, always and forever, is Mario Kart Deluxe. I love this game. It's super fun, super intuitive. The kids will love it, adults will love it. Very nostalgic as well because they include all the older tracks. And just to the right, they have accessories. And when you turn around, they have a giant stuffed Kirby. Amazing, look at that. And they have a bunch of little stuffed animals as well that you can go ahead and take a look at and pick up for yourself. These are also the additional accessories for the Nintendo. And as we round the corner, we can see that they do have some headset peripherals as well as some toys for kids. There we have Buzz Lightyear and we have Dancing Elmo. He plays the guitar. Apparently he was AWOL. He did not want to cooperate for the video, but that's okay. He just got a little stage fright. So as you can see me vigorously pointing, behind there is a hover scooter. It's an electric scooter. So we didn't have these when I was a kid, and so I'm very envious of all the children out there these days. I kind of wanted to pick one up for myself, but knowing my balance, I wouldn't have done too well. Now this was very, very cool. They have a little arcade machine with Pac-Man on it. Obviously I was not very good at it, but I thought that was super cool. They also have these Nerf style toys, and they have a specific Fortnite Nerf, which is kind of weird, but alright, we had Nerf as a kid, go for it, why not? Then we have Star Wars. We have Baby Yoda, the famous Baby Yoda, of course, sitting in a bag for some reason, but why not? You can take him where you want. As well as a little miniature figurine of him. Very, very cool. They also have all those other characters, Darth Vader, the Halo guy, Captain America, and all these little figurines, collectibles that you can get for yourself. And of course they have, this is probably the nicest looking Baby Yoda I've seen. He's not in the bag, it's just him. You can see the details in his eyes, very cool. The Mandalorian, the child, they call it the child, but okay, it's Baby Yoda in real life. Right next to it. But as we pan over behind us, we see this guy from the Baby Shark video. He is the yellow Baby Shark. Yeah, you can find all kinds of weird stuff at Best Buy, including Baby Shark and this Mario. He doesn't do anything. He's just kind of there. He says, "Try me," but he doesn't work. It's me, Mario. Yeah, see, you can just kind of put his hands up in the air, and that's it. It wasn't that exciting. There is the, very hard to get PS5 with the beautiful preview there. You can't even play it. That's unfortunate. But now we will move on to the cell phone section. And as we pan through it, you can see that these are relatively a bit more affordable. They're showing the pricing plans there, but those are iPhones you see at the bottom, and we are at the Verizon section. And as we move on to the Apple Watch section, they have a couple on display there as well. As you can see, the time is 12:38 p.m. Hopefully the other one matches as well. Oh, I'm not that great at analog reading, but that's fine. Now, these are the little portable laptops in the Samsung Center. I thought that was a very cool looking watch with the circle dial. Very different from Apple's square dials, and of course the Samsung Z Flip 5G. So this one is very, very cool. I love this phone. If you go ahead and open it up, it is a foldable phone and it looks really good. The only thing I don't really like about it was when you do fold it, you see a little bit of a seam in the center, but that's okay. So of course, while I was there, I had to go in there and I had to go ahead and put our YouTube on there. So let's go ahead and do that now. As we figure out the phone, it was very, very nice to play with when we were doing it. And here we go. We're gonna go ahead and look up our channel real quick. Not Humpty Dumpty, not Human. Huma Kitchen and Vlogs right there. And we thought, hey, we'll just leave it there, right? There's our home page. It looks so good on that phone. And then when you close it, there you go, Huma Kitchen and Vlogs. Very, very cool. Which we thought, hey, why not? Just leave it there. Right there on the hash browns. We'll scroll down and there are the hash browns. So whoever came up to the phone would take a look at the hash browns eventually, and hopefully that would entice them to subscribe. And if you haven't already, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And here we have the Note 20. Fun fact, the person who does some of the voiceovers, her first phone was a Note 2, so 10 times generation later with 5G, we have the Note 20. And Samsung does have a very attractive section at Best Buy. So as we move forward, they have a little Hey Google section. And in the Hey Google section, they have just a couple range of their products and how their Android and Google Play stuff kind of integrate together. And they have it shaped as a home to show that Google will basically be in every part of your life. And the same thing with Alexa. They have a little bit more of a modern look to their display. Very, very cool. They have a couple Alexa devices. I apologize if I'm saying this and I'm setting your devices off, but they have a couple of those devices. And as we move back to the Google Home, we can take a look at the clocks. They had a very modern looking clock, and this was my favorite thing, the door. So they set up a whole Ring thing. A Ring is like a security system with like a camera, so I thought it was very cool. I thought I'd give it a try. Press the button, there was a little camera there that kind of shows like how it works, and you can go ahead and just let yourself in because the Ring did not stop me from going through. So I thought that was very cool. I was very proud of myself for doing that. And I believe we do have a shot of the other side, hopefully. I don't quite remember. And yes, we do. There was the Ring button, there's the Ring camera, and when you press the thing, there you go. That is us right there. So, I'd really like to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to see more like this, please remember to subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notifications. Have a good one. Take care.